Hello guys and welcome, and to all the new subscribers, welcome. Glad that you are here. Today we are going to India to unbox Parker 65R. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So this is the Parker 65R. On the front we have Parker branding, safety razor since 1973, so they are in the market for some while now. And Parker is a well-known Indian company that makes wet shaving products. On the back we have some information about Parker. So feel free to pause it guys and read it. Alright, let's unbox it. We have the razor and nothing else. Okay, let's put this on the side and look at that beauty. The 65R is the second Parker razor that I own. The first one that I bought is that one over there. The 92R. But I made a full review and unboxing on this one. I'm gonna link it in the cards, so feel free to check that out guys. Now let's get back to our 65R over here, and this is really a beautiful razor. Look at that superb razor. You can tell that is made in India by these gold platings over here on the handle. The 65R is a 3-piece razor. The handle, the safety bar, and the top cap. The razor has a nice finish to it. Overall height is 101 millimeters. The weight is 80 grams, and the handle material is brass frame and the black and gold plating. And it has this sandstone texture, which offers a really good grip. So it's really nice to hold in the hand. That is super beautiful. It's a medium towards aggressive razor, so really looking forward to test it out. But I cannot stop staring at this handle. So that was the review guys, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the upcoming review that I'm looking forward to. And please let me know what you think about this razor and what do you think about this style of videos, just the unboxings. Please let me know down below in the comments area, and please consider subscribing, liking this video and hit that notification button. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day, enjoy your shave. Cheers!